Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config file for Warhammer 40k Dawn of War Definitive Edition on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now, open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top. Select Show and enable Hidden Items. Once it's visible, click on App Data. Go to the Roaming folder. Find and open the folder named Relic Entertainment. Inside, go into the Dawn of War folder. Open Profiles. Open Profile 1, then W40K, then Single Player, then Campaign, and finally State 1. This is where all your saved game files are located. Step 2. Locate the config file. Go back to the main Dawn of War folder. Look for the file named local.ini. This is your config file, where your graphics settings and other game options are stored. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both the save game files and the config file for Warhammer 40k Dawn of War Definitive Edition on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.